We'll be just getting connected with Deepak because he's there on ground and he has the first-hand information on the rescue operations that have been taking place. It's been over 48 hours now and on war footing. Multiple columns of the army when it comes to the NDRF, the Indian Air Force, all of them that have been pressed into service. But here is documented proof that is now coming across of what the Union Home Minister was on the floor of the House mentioning as far as the alerts and specific alerts regarding landslides that may occur in all of these areas as far as the hilly districts of Wayanad and adjoining areas are concerned. And this is exactly what had happened. Did these warnings go unheeded, Deepak?
Well, yes, definitely we've seen a lot of politics play out over the warning issue. While on one hand the centre says, NDRF was moved, warning was given. We heard the health minister earlier in the day while she spoke to me, she said that they were not informed that the landslide would happen or anything that severe would happen. Not even a red alert was something that was, a notice was given to them regarding. Meanwhile, as we speak, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi here at a relief camp in Wayanad. They're taking stock of the situation. They were a little while ago at the landslide spot, and now you can see Mr. K.C. Venugopal there as well, and several others as my cameras try to show you these pictures.
So what's happening there? Just take us through the pictures there as far as both the leaders from the Congress who have arrived.
Well, earlier they did, of course, reach the spot where the landslide occurred. Now you can see, now my video journalist Pradeep, of course, is going to show you as they are going to walk out. There you see Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, and also probably just behind her there could be Rahul as well. Both of them here to visit families who've been affected by the by the landslide. They've of course now lost their homes or cannot access them anymore. Some of them who are injured as well. So meeting some of them, having a conversation, and now going back. Rahul Gandhi ji, would you like to say something to the people of Wayanad? Well, that was in fact Rahul Gandhi there after paying a visit to the victims. Probably he's going to visit another relief camp. This is the government higher primary school here in Mepadi. A couple of more relief camps here itself. We're expecting him to, of course, move from here to another location or probably a little more further. There are more people, of course, who are staying. So it's not very clear as of now. They've kept his plan as far as movement quite open. So it's going to be interesting how he will, move ahead. And also from his team, I hear there's also an announcement coming in from Rahul Gandhi very shortly.
All right, we'll be standing by for that as far as the leaders from the Congress are there. Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan also talking about as far as the relief and rescue operations that have been taking place. But this is the political aspect of it as far as those lives, over 250, can they have been saved if there were prior warnings that were given and timely action could have been taken just before those deadly landslides struck?